stop playing with him. Jadavinci in his bitch. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
Okay, so I'm gonna come back in a few hours to let you guys know how this Nars is holding up. This is gonna be a wear test. So today I'm gonna be doing a wear test of my Nars. This says it's supposed to be 12 hours. I don't know, I already did like a previous, what do you call that, review on the foundation, so be sure to check it out. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Like, why aren't you? Better subscribe. It's supposed to be transfer resistant, so we're gonna test all that out today. I'll keep it on for like the rest of the day, for the evening. And yeah, we're gonna see. You see it? All right, so for my brows, I'm gonna go in with my Lorac. I always use this. This is my Tango Brown. And I am gonna pair it with my Nars Soft Matte. This is the color Ginger. So I actually really like Nars products. Like, they blend out like a dream. They're like full coverage. So I'm like really here for the natural full coverage walking filter look, you know? 2018, don't you want to glow up? Yeah, this is the perfect color for me. I like my foundation to be bronzed because then I know that when I get a picture taken, it's gonna look bomb, you know? I'm not gonna have a problem looking like a ghost. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with hazelnut.
Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Baby, you are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. You making me want gorgeous. Spend this money, gorgeous. All on you.
Okay, so I'm gonna come back in a few hours to let you guys know how this Nars is holding up. This is gonna be a wear test. I do have a full tutorial on like my first impressions, so I'm gonna leave it in the cards just in case you guys wanted to check it out. But yeah, I'll tune back in, let y'all know how it goes. So far, I do see a little bit of foundation like on my, what do you call this, shirt, but it's not as much as it would normally be, so you know, that's pretty good. But yeah, I really like this foundation. It's so nice. It's like so nice on my skin. So this is what I was talking about, telling you guys on my shirt. It's not as bad as normal, but I mean, of course, you know, it's got a little kickback on it. But if I had my MAC, it would be all over, like it would be super dark. So I guess, you know, for the most part, it's pretty good. I'm so silly. All right, I'm about to clean up my little mess. What are you eating? What are you eating? Yeah, I'm gonna just drink my drink. So this is what the makeup's looking like. I love it so far. I haven't done a wear test. This is gonna be my first wear test. Let me look at myself so far so I can remember how I look, you know? Okay, so I'm just checking in with you guys. It's been about 6 hours since I not installed, but you know, did my makeup or whatever. This is what the makeup's looking like. It's like super bomb. This foundation is claiming to be 12 hours. I've had it on for about 6. I do think that I could wear it for an additional 6 hours. So, I mean, this foundation is really good, you know, for $50. Sweater here. I do have a little makeup, so of course it's, you know, anything claiming to be resistant of transfer, I don't think that's gonna be the case. I did do a full review, so you can definitely check it out. I'll leave it in the card and in the description. But yeah, I hope you guys like these style videos. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you've not already subscribed. I don't even know why you're not even subscribed. You're still watching, you haven't even subscribed. You need to subscribe to the channel. So makeup's still on my face. How does my makeup look at the end of the day?
Awesome.
Gavin says it looks awesome, guys. I did a wear test today. It was supposed to last for 12 hours.
A wear test, huh?
It's a pretty good foundation.